Okay, third graders, we're going to continue our work with answering math questions about arrays. Today, we are going to add one more step though, and I'm going to show you that with my work. So our math question is how many Lego people are there? And you can see that the Lego people are arranged in an array. They have equal rows. So I did the work of labeling my big array. I have 4 rows with 7 in each row. And I broke apart that array 3 different ways. So the first thing I'm going to do is that step that we already know. I'm going to choose the way that I feel is easiest for me to solve to find out how many are in the big array. So this first way, I have 4 rows with 4 in each row and 4 rows with 3 in each row. So solving 4 times 4 and 4 times 3. I could do that, but I'm going to keep moving on. Now I see I have a 5 here, and 5s are always easy, so I have 4 rows with 5 and 4 rows with 2, so I could solve 4 times 5 and 4 times 2. I could do that, I know I can. The last way, I broke apart in half because 4 is an even number, and that means that we can make 2 equal groups. So I have 2 rows of 7 and 2 rows of 7. And for me, I can almost do that in my head because I know my doubles. So I think I'm going to do that way. But boys and girls, here is the new step. We are going to make one long number sentence with our smaller arrays. So I'm going to write down here 2 times 7 and 2 times 7 right next to each other. And I'm going to put an addition sign in the middle because that's what we've been doing, boys and girls. We've been finding out how many things are in each small array, then adding it together. So I'm just going to use a math symbol to show that. But here is the really interesting thing that we have to do. We have to put these marks that we call parentheses around each small array. Because in math, parentheses say, do me first. So we have to multiply 2 times 7 and 2 times 7 before we add them up. And then this is equal to our big array of 4 times 7. So that is the extra step that we've added. Now I can solve. I know 2 times 7 is 14, and 2 times 7 is 14. And that equals, when I add up 14 and 14, I know 10 plus 10 is 20, and 4 plus 4 is 8 is 28. So I'm going to record my 28 up here. So we added that extra step of making a one kind of long number sentence, making a mess circling it here, showing our small arrays are equal to our big arrays. So this is what we're going to be practicing today.